Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y19, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, access your toggles by swiping up from the bottom left corner of your screen, like so. There we go. This will show you a bunch of toggles here. Now we're looking for the hotspot one, obviously. So for me, it is right over here called Wi-Fi hotspot. Once you see it, you can hold it and this will take you to the settings. Here we can customize how it will function. So here we have the hotspot configuration, click on it, and what I recommend doing is just removing the randomly generated password and setting up your own new one. Now it will need to have at least 8 characters in length, and that can be letters or numbers. Additionally, you can also change the AP band. There is choice between 2.4 and 5 GHz. For the people that don't know what this is, I'm just gonna give you kind of like a quick brief of it. 5 will be better. 2.4 is used by basically every device, 5 not so much. 5 GHz is only utilized by newer devices, and newer and with an asterisk of like released in the last 5 years. If you have a really old device, chances are it will not support the other one. Now the benefit of the 5 GHz, it is going to create a faster and more stable connection over the 2.4. The benefit over 2.4 is that it basically supported by literally every device that has any kind of Wi-Fi connectivity. Now, if you don't know what your device supports, select 5, and once you enable your hotspot and said device cannot see this hotspot, that means that it just doesn't support it. And all you would need to do is go back into the settings and change it back to 2.4. Okay, so that was a quick rundown. And that's really the only thing I would recommend changing here. From here, you want to select the done button to save the changes, and we can enable it by either toggling on in here, or later on, when you want to turn it on or off, you can do so by just, again, navigating to the toggle tray and tapping on the toggle for the hotspot. So right now it's enabled. If I tap on it, I will turn it off. Come on, there we go. And if I tap on it again, it will turn back on. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.